Hey guys, what's up? This is video on which how you can make video like make Chokov without using Blender or Maya and not using KineMaster. That's the official app and that's very legal. So without wasting time, let's pop in this video. So first open your desired web browser and after opening that you can write here make Chokov creator. So that's the first app you can see, and I already installed this app. So you can see here, this is the make Chokov studio and where you can customize the characters, and this is all, and this is how to record your video for purposes, and you can upload on YouTube. And here this credits where you can buy and change the downlink like you can see in this make joke of creator. So open this app and after opening this I already make a video. So how you can see this interface, so this is the interface where you can get like this is my mute volume so you can't hear the sound, sorry for that problem. And here I want to customize this. So what I do from here, I choose this and then go on settings, and here I can make changes from here and also change the color in the body. So that is good, and change the eyebrows of them and this voice how much, and here this is also black or blue, and that's cool. And have a sunglass there and then save so you can get a narrow character like here. So what I do next, and then you can got many holes like this, and here I choose this hall and then go start video shooting. So when I play this button, how's are this working, brother? And sorry for that and the misunderstanding. I'm sorry. Huh? So that's the video, and I hope that's it process sounds. So as you can see, I'm not but that's work in your phone, and this app link is given in my description. You can go there and download that. And that's it for this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel to get new videos from me. Thanks friends.